Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jay, and I am back with another video. So today y'all, we have a seafood boil. We have shrimp, we have corn, we have sausage, we have potatoes, and we have eggs. So we're about to dive right on in because your girl is starving, okay? And if you are new to my channel and you like food content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, okay? Y'all got a bag on the side over here. We dripping, but it's okay. We'll clean it up. Got some potatoes up in here. Y'all, is it just me, or do the potatoes taste better when they cut up? Like 10 times better. Got some corn. It's corn. Yeah, I am hungry, okay? That sauce a little spicy. In the back of the throat. Y'all know we gotta go for an egg. The egg is definitely the best part of the boil. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. It's just something about eggs. Hold on. We finna make a little sandwich. Uh-oh. Maybe. Okay, there we go, y'all. Okay, so we got egg, shrimp, and sausage. That was good. This shrimp don't want to peel. There we go. Y'all, I'm hungry. Then we all know when y'all super hungry, you take a few bites and you get full. I hope that don't happen. That sauce hot. If y'all don't like to get messy, don't eat seafood. I'm gonna tell you that right now. That's the point of it, is to get messy, baby. And some sausage. You gotta do the happy dance. Am I the only one who don't prefer onions in my seafood boil? I can go without the onions. Y'all know what I am missing though? My noodles. Y'all, what I don't eat right now, I'm packing it up and checking it to work. Might save some for tomorrow. Excuse me. Hot. This egg ain't too right, y'all. Hold on. Let me see. I don't have. With just a little bit of skin. Extra skin. Or film, I should say. We should have made another egg sandwich with our last little bite. But we're gonna make one with the potato. Let's see, cut the potato in half. Okay. Gotta get some juice on there. Get us some shrimp and sausage. Y'all see that? That's what I'm talking about. Y'all, me and baby are happy. Okay, I'm back, y'all. That corn just tried to take me out, y'all. It just tried to take me out. We're gonna hold off on the corn for a little bit because that corn just tried to knock the sister down. Whew, okay. Let's get a potato. Not me choking on the corn, y'all. It was tears all in my eyes. Y'all see my eye? It just tried to take me out. Had to take a quick break. Yeah, I'm trying not to eat all my eggs and save some for later, but that might not be the case. Them eggs is like fire. That's like the best thing. They're so good. Oh, I got a pet over here. I'm getting full now, y'all. After that corn trying to take me out. We protesting corn, y'all, okay? Nobody eat corn for a week. It just almost took my life. Put that piece of shrimp up there. Cause what? All right, y'all, I got my fix. I've been eating seafood, craving seafood for days. And I'm full now, y'all. So I'm gonna stop right here. If I eat too much, I'm gonna get sick. This baby don't play, okay? This baby be like, eat when I tell you to eat, stop eating when I tell you to stop eating. And baby has spoken, okay? So if y'all like this video, make sure y'all give it a thumbs up. I got more videos coming. And I will see y'all in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Love y'all.